Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the text-to-speech preferred engine to Samsung or Google engine on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top to open up the notification panel, and here tap on the settings icon. And then we go down and tap on general management, and here tap on text to speech, and you want to tap on the preferred engine on the left hand side here. In the preferred engine you can select Samsung text to speech engine or speech services by Google. So select which one you want to use and then tap on the back key, and you should see it will tell you at the bottom here which services you are using right now. And if you want to make any changes to that engine, you can tap on the settings icon on the right hand side, and here you can install more voice data and other settings. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.